Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to be creating this look. You see, this is a cut crease, halo cut crease look, and if you have hooded eyes like me, this is going to be a treat for you because I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this look if you have hooded eyes like me. So if you want to see how I created this look, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's keep on watching. So guys, we're going to be focusing on the eyes today. I'm not gonna lie, I do not know what look I'm going to be doing for you guys, but I am just going to let it come to me. So first of all, you want to prime your eyes, because if you want your eyeshadow to be blended, you want the color payoff to come out, you need to prime your eyes. So you can use your concealer, you can use your primer. I'm going to apply my LA Girl Pro concealer on my eyelids, and I'm going to use my hands to just tap it in. I don't want to go for something too dramatic today. You know, it's summer, so I want to do something bright and colorful for you guys. So I just prime my eyes, as you can see. So I did not set my eyes, so I'm going to be using this shade and this shade together, and I'm going to be pressing it on my eyelids. So now I'm going to go into this red shade. I think this is supposed to be a blush, but I will be applying it on my crease also. Earlier I said I was gonna do a simple look. How did this happen? Like, I don't know, we're just gonna go with the flow. It matches my backdrop, so I'm just gonna be packing it on my crease. Now I'm going to blend it in circular motions. So now I'm going to go into this shade, this light shade, and I'm going to use it to blend out the edges of this eyeshadow. So initially I wanted to do a normal cut crease, but I think I want to do a halo eye. It's been a while, so I'm going to mix this shade and this shade together, and I'm going to put it at the outer and inner corners of my eyes. So I think I want to use a flat brush like this. I'm going to use a flat brush and just pack it on there. I'm gonna cut the crease in this shape. So you might be wondering, how do you know where to cut your crease? So I would say you should just apply a little bit of concealer at the middle of your eyes and open your eyes like this. You saw when I open my eyes, there's a line like somewhere. This is where you cut your crease. If you want your eyes to be more open, to look more open, then this is where you're going to want to cut your crease. For someone like me with hooded eyes, I can either use two methods. I can just cut my crease like the normal line, like from this normal line, or I can go above my lid, and this is where I'll use this method to bring out my eyes, to make my eyes more open. So if I want my eyes to look smaller, I can just cut my crease in this area here, this line, this natural line of my hooded eyes. But if I want my eyes to be open, I can do this method of putting concealer here and opening it, and this is where I cut my crease. I hope you understand what I am saying. So I'm just gonna cut my crease now with concealer. I'm gonna start at the crease first. So now I've gotten the shape I want. I'm just gonna fill it in. Now you see it, my eyes look more open. It seems like we've created a fake crease or lid. My eyes look more open now. Now I'm going to go into, oh my god, this palette is shattered. Like, I really don't know how come, but it fell down, so it's really scattered. But I'm not going to just throw it away and let it go like that. There's a lot of beautiful shades in here. So I am, oh boy, let's go in with this shade. This is a champagne shade. I'm going to go in with the shade and apply it like this to get the details I want. So remember to always dust off the excess, especially when you do your face first, so the shadow won't fall on your face. So now that is done, I'm going to go in. I want to incorporate some gold in this look, so I'm going to go in with this copper shade, and mix it with this red shade together and put it on the outer corners of this middle. I'm going to go into this shade and apply it on my inner corners. So I just applied lashes, as you can see, and I'm gonna finish up the look and I'll be right back. I'm also gonna be highlighting my brow bone just a bit, extra glow. I'm going to be lining my lips with a brown lip liner because I want to do a nude lip because of the eye look. I do not want something that is going to overpower it because the eye look is the center of attraction. So now I'm going to go in with this lipstick. I think it's from Estée Lauder, I'm not so sure. So I'm going to be applying that on my lips. And this is the finished eye look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.